the guy on top is like crazy. Wow, this is heavy.
Yeah, that's it.
Even this boots push also, but this one is different level. Like I don't know how they survive it. It's like equalizing. They're not gonna equalize because manual yan. Pero sobrang bigat lang. Pero ang kagandahan, mas mabilis pa yun kasi mabigat yan. Your history is like amazing, real amazing.
Thank you.
I came from this one, Royal Caribbean, so
Yeah.
last contract going. They're kind, I sure. Pasok tayo. Libre naman siguro to. Ito yung welcome to the Salmon Walk. So ito yung na yan. Ito yung creek area na pinuntahan natin kanina. Ito yung pinaka-observation. Doon natin makikita kung saan dadaan yung yung salmon. Nandito tayo ngayon. Ayan o. Pasok tayo. Wala tayong maingay dito kaya wala tayong maingay. Salmon history. Hi, good morning. It's already afternoon? Okay, it's afternoon.
There's an admission to get in. Have you?
It's not alright, sorry.
Yeah, you're okay.
It's okay?
You need to pay, but
Okay, how much is that?
it's $6 for adults.
$6, alright.
For the crew,
I'm gonna
yeah,
come
you
back.
have discount.
What's that?
For a
the
crew?
Oh, you guys are crew?
Yes.
Come on, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yes, you're free. You're free. Let me give you some stickers, okay?
Okay. Where can I put it?
Just on your jacket.
Ay, pare.
Yeah.
Bossing, go
I thought you were tourists.
I'm really, I look like a tourist. Oh my god,
The
for sure
camera.
it's a compliment.
Yeah.
No, actually I'm vlogging
Can you
like.
have some picture with you, ma'am?
Alright.
Dyan. Saan tayo lang? Ito kayo ang mga ko dyan. Dulo kasi. Kulang. Exercise.
Ito. Ito yung grabe yung lagari nila. Yan yung mga ginagamit nilang lagari. Laki yun. Lagari pang putol ng mga puno. Ito. Ayan o. May yung power saw na. Ayan. May mga palakol dun sila. Ito naman yung ginagamit nila pang mining. Ano ba? May sling para sa snow. Ito yung kung sa Pinas, alam mo yung ginagano natin para makita yung ginto. Tapos ito yung hat na may ilaw. Parang bell ata yan. Tapos dito nilalagay yung pag in-scale na. Ano to? Ito yung timbangan. So may hat. Wow, they can really carry it off, huh? Oh my god, it's so big.
Like
One
start
side.
cutting it in, then they put wedges in there,
Oh,
and then pound the wedges in it.
it's like it looks like a 100 years old.
Probably.
Yes. Yeah. This country's really nice history. I really like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Philippines, man. So
Texas.
we have more history.
Yeah.
This is the bear. Ito yung pinaka-skeleton niya. The adult brown bear skull.
Ayun, that's also.
Ito yung mga pictures. Ano? Mga police patrol. Ito yung mga ginagamit nila. Ito naman yung poses nila. So, may kadena sa gitna. Yung mga badges. Saan ito? Ang torture. Ayan. Feature yan. Ito naman ay The Woman Creek Street. Hard Truck. Hindi ko sure. Ano siya? Yung may plaka. Ito yung lamesa. Saka ito yung lutuan natin ito ng pagkain. Yeah. Ito naman yung mga pera nila dati. Pioneer po may barahan sila. Ano to? May barahan din doon. Puro games. Pang games to. High cards. Mga bote na iniinuman nila. Yung evacuation camp sila pagka nagkakaroon ng tsunami. Ito na yung airlines. Yeah. Ito yung sigarilyo. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yun. Condoms. May mga badges nila. Mga sumhat to. At ito naman ang cash register 1907. Tagal na. Ito yung ginagamit niya. Sobrang makaluma. Ito naman po yung Beacon of Commerce. So, lighthouse lens from 3 light station. Lens pala to. Lighthouse or symbol of security and safety of maritime approach. 1940s. Ito yung Rio Grande. Ito yung mga tools nila. Hindi ko lang sure kung pares tayo ng tools sa Pinas, pero for sure hindi. Kasi nga dito naman yung tools na dito nakabase yan sa sa weather na, sa environment. Lalo dito malamig. Kaya ito talaga yung malamig. Pero may bangka rin sila. Kasi mahilig sila mag-fishing. Ito yung pinakamakalumang. Para saan to? Pagka nasa Pampang. Ito, mga tools nila. Ship hugger. Ito yung mga parts ng bangka. Ano to? Molding plane slick. Okay. Parang Titanic ito. Alam mo guys, nahihalip talaga ako sa history ng Alaska. Napakakulay. Parang sa atin din. Ito yung bahay nila dati. Yan yung creek ngayon, pero hanggang ngayon na-preserve pa rin. Fire carriers. Extensive system fires. Something from fire project of began to do. Oh. Okay. Ito yung Salmon of Cycle 2008. Ayan. Ito na yung pinakasalmon guys. Paano yung history nila. Yung namimingwit dito. Yung pinaka-marine life ng Alaska. Ito. Salmon life cycle. Dito talaga sila dumadaan dyan. Sa creek na yan. So beginning of Salbon, final one. For the past 15,000 years, the area's glacier had melted until the salmon liberated and Sama. So every summer sila pumupunta dito. Dumadaan pala. Getting better deep, the legal process was spawned and just from which they go okay. Bumabalik talaga sila sa dati. The creek is the heart of town. Yes, tools of the trade. Ayan.
and seals the can hermetically. To this machine developed by can manufacturers, we owe a great debt, for without its benefits and its perfection in sealing cans so that no air can reach the contents, no food could be preserved in this manner.
Ito yung Beer England Bridge. Ayan yung pula na yan. Area of Walmart. Ay dito Hawaii, Seattle, and Ketchikan. Dito tayo. Ito yung pinaka-hallmark niya.
You know what this used to do? 1930, 1912. You know what this used to do? These guys would pump air to divers down below, and this was an air pump. Pumping air so they could. Look at the guys cranking on his manual, pump air down. Unbelievable.
So they use this one for diving? Like they're just...
Yeah, it's
Suck
got the
the air?
divers going down, and these was a pump to
Wow.
get
They had
air
to
supply.
do it manually.
Wow, yeah. It's like a compressor.
Yeah.
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 You bet.
But actually
You
it's
better
not,
hope the guys on
it's
top
not
keep-
really safe. Yes, if the guy on top is like crazy, you
The
guys
guy
are all
going
gonna
below
die.
is a lot trusting that they keep pumping.
Pump it.
Yeah,
that
wow, this is
amazing.
heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
Wow.
That's interesting, isn't it?
Yes, they're really smart, right? Like, can you imagine?
They were smart. They were genius, these people.
That's a
But hard worker. Yes. That is, you guys.
Can you imagine how they survive? Even these boots, for sure, it's so
to weigh him
heavy.
down, to weigh him down, to pull him down faster in the water. Dive boots.
Yeah, yeah. I do scuba also, but this one is different level.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I don't know how they survive it. It's like you are an astronaut.
Yeah.
But this one, they don't need the equalizing.
Right.
They're not gonna equalize because it's really hard.
Yeah. Can't
Wow.
go too deep in these.
And there's hemlock as well. Aren't they pretty?
It's unbelievable. They have the logbook.
Yeah.
And this is the compass that they use. It's so big.
And that,
Oh my
you can
God.
see that.
It's unbelievable.
She went around the corner.
I'm sorry. I'm not sure what is this.
Emery, stay with your peeps. Stay with you, see mom and dad.
Ito yung ginagamit ng mga diver guys dati. Manual yan. Bali, niro-roll nila to para mag-create ng air. Tapos may pinaka-hose na nakakonect dun sa helmet. Ayun, helmet na yun. Para makapag-dive sila na malalim. Ang problema na mabigat. Sobrang bigat nun. Pero ang kagandahan, ang advantage niyan, hindi mo na kailangan mag-equalize. Kung ganito hard hat yung mask na gamit mo. Mas mabilis pa yun kasi mabigat yan. Rotary divers pump. Ito yung machine nila sa loob. Galing na. Thank you, ma'am. I really enjoy it. Wow. Your history is like amazing. Really amazing.
Thank you.
I really love Alaska now. This is my first time here, so
It's your
I really
first
like
time?
it. Yes.
Where do you usually live?
No, I'm from Philippines, but
Oh,
I came
okay.
from this one, Royal Caribbean. So
Yeah.
last contract I was in Caribbean and then
Oh,
Europe,
gotcha.
and then this is my first time in Alaska. I really like it.
We have a really beautiful Filipino community here.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
said it's like so many. Huh?
Yes, it's lovely.
How they going? They're kind.
Oh, they're lovely. Yeah,
Wow,
the
that's
best
good.
people. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure. Alright, tapos na tayo ng tour. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Bye-bye.